Yeah, hello, here's the lower coach. Lower the law of attraction, the universal law of attraction. What you send out with your own thinking, feelings and expectations, you will get back from your body and from other people and from the society. What you send out, you get back. And what you send out, you can learn to control. Don't try to control other people or the society. Just control what you think, feel and what you expect and what you send out. That's the most important thing. Focus on the things what you send out. There is your power, there is your control. You not have to fight against anybody, against different thinking and different feeling and different expectations and different religion and different cultures. You not have to fight against anything. Just focus on that what you send out with your own thinking, feelings and expectation. That you can control. Maybe you see the movies The Secret and What the Bleep Do We Know. So if you not look these two movies. So many people in the world like to tell you you create your own reality. If you not see that you create your own reality, you're sleeping. You're sleeping when you think there is a reality outside of you without your expectations. But your thinking, feelings and expectations are like magnets that bring the reality to you. The reality is always a personal reality. You create your personal reality. You're the creator. I'm a lower coach. I can help you to come back in your power to create your own reality. That's your birth power. You always create your reality. Everyone, every individual must experience the law-based consequences of the law of attraction. Everybody creates his own reality. Everybody must experience this power, what he has. Nobody else has the power about your own thinking, feelings and expectations about your reality. You create your own reality. You are the creator of your own life, of your personal reality. I'm a lower coach. I can coach you from around the world over Skype, telephone or email. Right? Send me an email and we can go in contact. I bring you back to your power to create your own reality, to live your dreams. See you. Ciao.